Kia ora koutou, ko te tuawhitu o ngā wahanga tēnei. So we're on the 7th of the symbols o ngā tohu. 7, 1, 2, tahi, rua, toru, wha, rima, ono, whitu. So we're on the 7th symbol. And he tohu, tūhoto tēnei. So this is about joining, eh? It's about joining things together, prepositions, and it's also about locating things. So we have three main kupu that are the focus of this particular symbol at a level 1 level, which is K, Ki, and E. And then we also have some words that are usually associated with these through three articles. Okay, so basically K meaning where is something at, and if we say K here, here, kōrero mai, here, here, so we've got he, a, here, meaning where. What does here mean? Here means where, ne? And if we say K, that's actually where is something at right now. K here. Where's that at? K here. Ne? K here. Ki meaning to. Something's got to go. It's actually not at a location, but it needs to go to the location. Ki here. To where? Ki here. Kōrero mai, can you say that? Ki here. To where? Okay. And then E, where was. E here. Kōrero mai. E here. Where was something? Okay. K here. Where's something at right now? Ki here. To where does it need to go right now? Where to? E here. Where was it? So three things. So we've got the K there. We've got the ki. K-I, K, K, E, and E in this one symbol. Now we also have, I'm going to get Robbie to scroll in right here, we also have locations for where the things might be at, or where they need to go to, or where they were. So what we have is runga, above, raro, below, mua, in front, muri, behind, wainga nui, in the middle of, roto, on the inside of, waho, on the outside of, matau, on the right side, taha matau, taha maui, on the left hand side. So we also have some reo āringa to assist you with that. So runga above, can you do that? So here's our ra. So we've got runga above, raro below, can you see that? Runga, raro. And then we have mua to the front of, and muri to the back of, because it's got our ma, mua, muri. So we've got four signs. They are runga, raro, mua, muri. Then we've got roto inside. See that? Raoto, roto inside. And we've got wa, ho. Remember that? Wa. And the ha action and o, waho outside. So we've got runga above, raro below, mua in front of, muri behind, roto inside, waho outside. Then we have wainga nui. Remember they are my consonant for wa, and the two wa meeting in the middle, which means middle, wainga nui, ka pai. And what have I missed here? So let's start from the top. Runga above, raro below, mua in front of, muri behind. In the middle, wainga nui. Then we've got roto inside and waho outside. Now on the side, te taha matau, so my right hand, which is going to be opposite to you, taha matau, right hand side with a ma, taha maui with the ma on the left, taha matau, taha maui. So we've got runga above, raro below, mua in front of, muri behind, wainga nui meeting in the middle, roto inside, waho outside, ki te taha matau, right side, ki te taha maui, left side. So joining those with the question, kei here, where at? Kei runga, at the top of. Kei raro, at the bottom of. Kei mua, at the front of. Kei muri, at the back of. Kei wainga nui, in the middle of, at the middle of. Kei roto, at the inside. Kei waho, at the outside. Kei te taha matau, at the right hand side. Kei te taha maui, at the left hand side. Ki here, to where does it need to go? It needs to go to the top of. Ki runga, ne? Ki runga, ki raro, ki mua, to the front of. Ki muri, to the back of. Ki wainga nui, needs to go to the middle, ki roto needs to go to the inside, ki waho needs to go to the outside, ki te taha matau needs to go to the right hand side, ki te taha maui needs to go to the left hand side. Where was that thing we were talking about? I here, kōrero mai, where was it? I runga, it was at the top. I raro, it was below that thing, but it's not there now. I mua, it was in the front of. I muri, it was at the back of. I wainganui, it was in the middle of somewhere. I roto, it was inside. I waho, it was outside. I te taha matau, it was on the right hand side. I te taha mau, it was on the left hand side. There's a basic beginning for you in terms of location and how we use tohu, tūhoto, kei, ki and I to locate things and also to join other things. Ka pai, ngā mihi kia koutou. Kia kaha.